Meaning of descriptive.
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 Descriptive. The term descriptive refers to the act of providing a detailed description or account of something. This can apply to various fields, such as language, statistics, and literature, among others. Descriptive language is used to convey a vivid and comprehensive portrait of a scene, object, character, or event. In statistics, descriptive analysis involves summarizing and organizing data in a meaningful way, such as using measures of central tendency or dispersion. Overall, the goal of descriptive approaches is to help readers or listeners form a clear and accurate mental image of what is being described.